Changing your primary email on GrabPay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Open the Grab app. Launch the Grab app on your mobile device and ensure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use this org to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email settings. In the account settings menu, look for the email contact information option. Tap on it to view your current email address. Step 4. Update your email. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you may need to verify it. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Grab and follow the instructions provided to finalize the change. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on GrabPay will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Grab's customer support for assistance.